Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily Chromecast your YouTube video to TV. So first we need to have the Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi network as you guys can see. So now I'm connected to the network. Here I have a video that I want to watch on my TV from my phone. So let me show it to you guys. Here we have the video. Now we need to click this little icon, which is the TV and the Wi-Fi icon. Now after I click this little icon here, I will be able to connect to my TV. And now YouTube is opening and it's playing on the TV. So as you guys can see, it's this new device connected. Here we have the video. Now I can try and let's say play it for a bit. As you guys can see, it's working very good. So this is how you guys can easily Chromecast to your TV. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.